My name is Lydia Keene. I've been traveling part-time since 2015, making a living as an artist, model, and filmmaker. I converted my minivan into a camper with solar panels and all. In this vlog series, I'm taking you with me on a full 3-month tour across the country. You'll get a glimpse into my life on the road, from my many modeling adventures to meeting the characters, learning lots of lessons, and sharing in the many synchronicities. So stay tuned. From Michigan to the West Coast, and maybe even into Mexico, we are in it for the long haul. Now, let's get into it. I started out by preparing my van and packing up all of my gear, and after years of travel, I have simplified my process and I only bring what I need. And it took me a long time to learn what I need, so yes, but simplicity can bring you so much peace in a tight space like a minivan. That's for sure. Simply living. Before I go, look at me taking a picture of him and taking a picture of me.
All right, cool. There we go.
Bye.
Bye. Love you.
See you guys. I love you. Thank you so much. Now, to continue the tradition, I've got to stop and get some CDs before I hit the road. Great. What a great thing. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited about this.
Easy rider on the highway.
We are going to be Detroit bound for the first leg of the route here. Oh my gosh. Okay. Boom.
Windows open, you are basking.
Leaving the nest is always bittersweet because you're uncertain of what the journey will bring. But just as much as I enjoyed taking off on a new adventure, I cherish the return home to my loved ones. This is where I ended up. Before leaving Michigan though, I do have a photo shoot in the morning, and my photographer got me a room, and then just one more stop at my brother's place before I make the long trip westward. Okay, starting it off. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, hot dang! We got a view of the whole shabam here. Now that I'm in Novi area, I am going to drink a lot of water and do my workout, and so that is my plan for this evening.
Workout today on the agenda, we have 5 exercises that we're going to cycle through 2 times each.
Traveling can be overwhelming at times, but what I found is that when I can bring a few parts of my routine with me from home, it gives me that structure that I need to just be able to check in with myself more. So I'll do my workouts, I'll read, I'll try to meditate, but also try not to be too hard on myself when I can't sit in the stillness or when I can't keep up with it all. So it's just about being adaptable. But this is one thing that has really helped me along the way.
That's beautiful. Wow.
I slept like a queen. I mean, don't I look like royalty, darling? So nice. I give them 4 points. Just kidding. Oh, should have been 5, baby. Should have been 5. So while I wait for my photographer, I have like 30 minutes. I'm going to edit a video. I'm editing 2 videos right now. One of them is like a Mornings with Lydia talking about home. And then the next one is like what I do to prepare to go on a road trip. So yeah, I think it'll be pretty cool. And what I found was that I was looking for myself in everything outside of me, and that left less attention for me to actually reflect on what was going on within me. And that was a profound realization for this one. No. Such a great shoot. I didn't get much behind the scenes, but I got to shoot in a whole bunch of outfits, and now it's time to eat some food. We got the good stuff. Now I just gotta get that peanut butter on there. Now, I get so many questions about my modeling career. So yes, I am a freelance model, and I am signed with a couple of agencies, but a majority of my work is freelance. Now, I book up my tours a couple months in advance, so I have a full schedule of gigs along the way, and I started out this career as a figure model, and then I saw an ad and signed up with a so-called manager back in 2016, and he had a couple other models under him, but we all quickly learned that this can be a very questionable industry. So we teamed up, we learned the ropes, and we went on our own. We learned our lessons along the way, our many lessons, and fast forward 9 years later, we are all still best friends. We are still modeling, and I mainly work with artists as a figure model, and I do some print and commercial work, some workshops and modeling events, and just over the years, we've really built a community of models. And so we team up to just look out for each other's safety, providing references on photographers, and that is really my number one concern. So yeah, that's kind of how it all started, from nothing, and built it into this beautiful career that has supported my family and allows me to travel and create with individuals all over the country. So to me, the body is art. I love it, and I'm so grateful that I somehow found this path. Okay, we got our things. We are gonna go to my brother's place now and then carpool over to the Ann Arbor Art Fest and go e-bike around, so it's gonna be pretty cool. Yeah, boy!
Biker squad ready to go.
It's miles of art.
Holy guacamole.
Come to find out, this is the largest juried art fair nationwide and showcases nearly 1,000 artists and spans over a 30-city block footprint throughout downtown Ann Arbor.
That was a video. Let's talk about
I'll take you there. Oh, because you have been so wonderful to us. On the one, break it down. Because you are so
I'm always rushing along, but I catch myself. There are times that need your full presence, and this is one of them. I savored the morning for the rare occasion to watch a film, snuggle with a big German shepherd, spend time with my family, and drink some of the strongest coffee I've ever had in my life. Thanks, bro.
I've got a guest in my apartment here. My little hand.
I will miss you. I will miss you, baby.
Love you, bro.
Well, here I am, officially on the road, and not even 1 hour into the adventure, look at these roads. This is like flash flooding right now, guys. This is really freaky. And I had to keep driving because everywhere that I pulled off to was like at a lower elevation, so all of the water came just like flooding in, but I made it. I stopped at Fresh Time. I'm in Kalamazoo right now. On the road again, and I've been listening to this Kenny Loggins Redwoods album, and oh my goodness, I'm so inspired to go get a harmonica, so I'm going to do it.
It is so good. This whole album
I've been down the East Coast too. I know what it feels like to be on that road with you. Oh, my sweet Zava, the babe.
Woo! We drove about 6 hours today en route to Kansas. I'm somewhere near Bloomington, Illinois. Camping out at a Love's truck stop. So I want to kind of run you through my routine, what I do whenever I stop somewhere. This is the ritual. This is what happens. When I park, I'm in for the night. I'll normally park near a street lamp or in a visible area and just make sure I'm in position so that if I need to leave quickly, I can. Next, I lock up all the doors, which sets up my security system. I'll clear out the front seat. I have a fake security camera up there. I'm not sure how effective that is, but why not? And then I also have my little Nikola Tesla doll, which goes with me on all my adventures. And I leave that up in the front sometimes because he looks like some strange voodoo doll, and who would want to get cursed breaking into my car? Anyways, next I hang up my blind in the front, then I close all of my curtains in the back and just make sure nothing is visible. I do have weapons scattered throughout the car just in case, but mainly I just keep my keys on hand, so if anyone does try to get in, I can set off my alarm system and it sounds like a fire truck is rolling up. So yeah, that does provide me a bit of safety. And there's a bit more to the process, but that's the simplified version. After that, I just organize for a while. I'll edit some videos if I want to and then head off to bed. It's 1 a.m. I just did some video editing on my iPad and I am zonking out. Whew. All right. Good night, boys and girls. I'll see you next time. I hope you enjoyed this video. I love sharing this adventure with you, and be sure to stay tuned for the next episode because we are going to Mark Twain's childhood home. We're going to explore the caves of Hannibal, Missouri, and then link up with my fellow van life friend, Gary. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you could like and subscribe, it really does help my channel. And until next time, this is Lydia Keene here, over and out.